Hey guys, welcome back to my channels. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way uh, the how to fix the hinges. Uh, there you go guys. Hey, as you can see, this hinge looks alright to me. It's pretty much in place for if you see at the other side. Look at this side is here a bit. As you can see, these holes are going a little bit bigger. So I'll tell you the trick how can you fix these holes and get this hinge tuned. So let's crack on. There you go guys. There you go guys, as you can see, it's all done and just now. There you go. It's nice. There you go. Thanks for watching my video guys. Please like and subscribe my channel.